Ngayon, sir, sabi niyo po, yung tinatanong ni Senator Lacson kanina, 2002. No? May I ask Chief PNP ba to? De La Rosa, sir? Nasaan po kayo noong 2002? Saan kayo naka-assign nun?
If hindi ako nagkakamali, Your Honor, I am with the Directorate for Human Resource and Doctrine Development ng Camp Crame, Your Honor. Dahil after nabuwag yung POC TV, Your Honor, tinanggal kami sa Davao, nilagay kami dito sa Crame, Your Honor.
So wala po kayo sa Davao nun? Natatandaan niyo po yung pangalan na yun, yung Macdum?
Wala po, Your Honor, dahil wala kaming target na gano'n na terorista, Your Honor.
Pwede niyo po i-check
during the time.
sa records ng PNP if there's such a operation or name, tapos report to this committee, sir.
We will check that, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Kaya paano mo sasagutin po yun na nung panahon na sinasabi niyo, wala po sa Davao si Chief PNP ba to, nasa Krami na po?
Parang na magkamali lang ako sa taon, pero talagang totoo yan. Talagang totoo yan.
Pero sir, hindi kayo
Namali
pwede
lang ako
magkamali sa
taon.
Sa taon ng PAOK TF at sa taon na kung saan si Chief Bato, pwede kayo magkamali. Pero sa taon na kung kailan namatay si Mr. Macdum, hindi ka pwede magkamali. Kasi hindi naman pwede yung ibang petsa siya namatay.
Madam Chair, let me just
Mr.
interject.
Chair, please,
Even
I do not allow the interjection, Madam Chair.
Even General De La Rosa is not
Madam Chair, I do not, point of order, Madam Chair. It is my time to question, not the time of Senator
You can make that
Trillanes.
manifestation later.
Thank you, Madam
Senator
Chair.
Alan, you can make that manifestation
Thank you,
later.
Madam Chair.
And maybe just again remind Senator Alan to try to wrap up
Yes,
already.
Madam Chair, but
Thank
as
you,
I
thank
said,
you.
Madam Chair,
Go ahead,
we're
please.
talking about the President of the Philippines. There's international media here. We're not talking about one person. Talking about foreign investments. We're talking about tourists who are coming to our country. We're talking about the stock market right now. So what's 10-15 minutes to get to the bottom of this? Whether totoo ang sinasabi nito o hindi. So, may I ask Madam Chair for a little bit of civility. No? Kaibigan naman po ang tingin ko sa bawat senador dito.
Please proceed.
At
Please proceed. You have 10 to 15 minutes.